Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking Guyana catfish curry to go with oil roti. So I have my oil heating up here. I have in this bowl grind garlic, peppers, and grind onion. To that I will add curry leaf, garam masala, and curry powder. And some water. Mix this into a paste. And I'll add this to my oil. And I'll let this bungee. Now I'm going to add the fish. Give that a turn. Cover, and I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. In 5 minutes now, I'm going to add the tamarind sour, tomatoes, green onion, and fish seasoning and salt. I'm going to cover this again and let it continue to cook. And then we'll add boiling water in about 5 minutes. Now I will add the boiling water to the curry. And I'm going to cover and continue to cook. Another 10 minutes and it will be done, so I'm going to remove the lid now and leave it to cook. I'm going to add 5 peppers and let them just steam. The fish curry is finished cooking, and we're not going to let it dry more because we're going to eat it with roti. Here is my catfish curry with oil roti. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.